I'm here at the Aberdeen Self-Build Renovation Show 2018. We're here with Alan and Andrew from ScotFrame. How are you finding the show today?
It's good. It's been a good interest. We're promoting the self-build market specifically, and we're seeing a good turnout from clients as high as Wick, Aberdeenshire, even coming along from Inverness. So we're getting a good area coverage of clients. Yeah.
That's great. So can you tell us a bit more about ScotFrame?
Yeah, basically ScotFrame are one of the biggest timber frame suppliers for bespoke one-off homes in the country, not just Scotland, where we pride ourselves in doing timber frame kits, open panel and closed panel construction. So we do our traditional construction as well as looking to the future as well to keep in compliance with regulations and providing a wide range of products for our clients.
That's fantastic. And can you tell us about what ScotFrame have got in development at the moment?
We've got a number of big projects on the go at the moment. We certainly with the Cumbernauld office deal with a lot of inquiries coming from England, Wales, and we've got a number of larger projects on the go in Jersey as well. So it's all good. Channel Islands seems to be very popular at the moment. Western Isles, we're all over the UK, yeah, and it's just spreading the word.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you very much, guys, and good luck with the rest of the day.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, we're here at the Aberdeen Self-Build Renovation Show 2018. We're here with Dean from Norden. How are you finding the show, Dean?
Yeah, it's been really good so far. Yeah, I've been really steady, a lot of people in, and it's just good to be here and just have a bit of presence and speak to everybody about various different aspects of their projects. So, no, it's been really enjoyable, yeah.
That's great. And can you tell us a bit more about Norden and what they do?
Yeah, certainly. So Norden itself, it's a family-run business, a Norwegian-based company that manufactures timber windows and door systems. We also do aluminium clad, which nowadays in this market area is what a lot of people tend to go for, maintenance free. But we're a local company based in Aberdeen, and we speak closely with architects as well as the joiner, construction side of things. We get involved in pretty much every aspect of it. Ultimately, we give a product that fills the holes in the walls. That's the main thing.
That's great. Well, thanks very much for the interview. Okay, take care.
Thank you.
We're here at the Aberdeen Self-Build Renovation Show 2018, and we're here with Vince. How are you finding the show today, Vince?
Finding it great, very informative. Had a look around quite a few of the different stands today. A lot of the people that are here today seem to be very, very knowledgeable about the things they're actually promoting, and spoke to, as I say, quite a few of the different people. It's great, you know, if you're actually interested in getting involved in doing more self-builds, renovations obviously, hence the name of the show. Fantastic, no, very, very good indeed. And yeah, a good different range of people here as well. So no, it's been enjoyable.
That's great, and thanks very much.
No problem at all, you're very welcome.
We're here with Iona and her family. How are you finding the show today?
It's been great so far. I mean, I'm just in the very early design planning stages of a conversion at my house, so it's just coming to get some design ideas, just to be able to speak to all the different companies that are here.
And are you finding that helpful when people have got knowledge?
Oh yeah, very helpful so far. I've spoke to an architect there who's just all of a sudden come up with different design ideas than what I already had, so good to just get a different opinion, I suppose.
That's great. Well, good luck with the rest of the day.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's been a really busy day so far. Lots of potential clients. So looking to get a couple of new jobs off the folk coming in.
Good stuff. And can you tell me a bit more about Mac Architects?
Well, we're established about 8 years ago now. We're based out in Newmarket in Aberdeenshire. We're a fully integrated BIM 3D practice, so all our kind of drawing work and design work is done in 3D. So we've got a virtual reality software which we showcase to each and every one of our clients. Obviously allows us to kind of be at the front end of the design process and for our clients to kind of see things in 3D as well.
That's great. Well, thank you very much, and good luck for the rest of the show, guys.
Many thanks.
We're with Mark from Home Energy Scotland. Hi Mark, how have you found the show today?
It's been really good, it's been quite busy, it's been steady enough, people coming in chatting, getting us some great advice.
Yeah, good stuff. And can you tell me a bit more Home Energy Scotland, what you do?
Yeah, so we're Home Energy Scotland, we are funded by the Scottish Government, managed by the Energy Saving Trust, and we're just here to give people free and impartial advice, trying to see what's best for their properties, whether it be insulation, renewables, trying to cut their energy bills through making it more energy efficient. We also give advice on how they can reduce their energy costs by changing their behaviours, trying to reduce their costs and reduce their energy use as well.
Aberdeen Self-Build and Renovation Show 2018. We're here with Stuart. What brought you here today, Stuart?
Well, my wife and I have got a farmhouse in Aberdeenshire, and we're considering doing an extension to the house next year or so. So we, on the internet, caught the show was on this weekend, so we've come in past by chance today. Really pleased to see the diverse range of companies that are on show, and we've made some really good contacts today in terms of wife's interested in a new kitchen, and we've made some contacts with some architects and some building firms. So it's ticked all the boxes for me today.
That's great, and enjoy the rest of the show, sir.
Thank you very much.